Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a product that's creating quite a buzz. The Morrell Mushroom Spores from Red Supply Solution. If you're looking to grow your own delicious morel mushrooms at home, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore what makes these spores stand out from the rest. These Morrell Mushroom Spores are marketed as the ultimate solution for mushroom enthusiasts and gardeners alike. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing morel mushrooms can be a rewarding experience. Let's take a closer look at what this product has to offer. The kit includes 40 grams of fresh morel spores conveniently packed in a sawdust bag. Specifically, Morchella esculenta variety known for its excellent flavor profile and culinary versatility. What sets this kit apart is its ease of use. Simply follow the instructions to set up in a suitable outdoor environment. Ideally with filtered light and proper humidity. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need to kickstart your mushroom garden adventure. The spores are GMO-free, ensuring a natural growth process. It's designed for outdoor use, making it ideal for garden beds or larger containers. Ensure to maintain the right moisture levels and temperatures for optimal growth. Overall, the Morrell Mushroom Spores from Red Supply Solution offer a promising start to any mushroom gardening endeavor. Whether you're aiming to enhance your culinary creations or simply enjoy the gardening process, this kit provides a reliable foundation. Plus, at just $8.88, it's an affordable investment in your garden's future. Interested in trying out the Red Supply Solution Morrell Mushroom Spores for yourself? Think about it. Check out the link in the description below to get started on your mushroom growing journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more product reviews and gardening tips from Product Critique. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy gardening!